So I think I've managed to make one of the best sounding Keychron K8 Pros that I've heard so far. And so you might notice that the spacebar is a different one than the one it comes with. And I think that is one of the things that I've noticed with other Keychrons is, and other sound demos as well, is that the spacebar always sounds like different. This one sounds okay. So let me put the original back on. These are some mode reflex linear switches. So this is the one that it comes with. And so notice that high-pitched sound, right? Now, here's the thing to notice. So yes, this is thicker here. But I don't know if this is normal, but it looks like when the switch is all the way in, it doesn't bottom out on the switch itself. It actually seems to bottom out on the actual keycap itself. See if I can show that. So take a look at this. Side view. See, it looks like it's touching here. Not there, but here. Now you guys tell me if that's normal or not. Let's try it on this one. So I have it pushed all the way down, and it looks like it just barely doesn't quite make it all the way, which means it actually bottoms out on the inside of the switch housing. You guys see that? It's almost there, but it's not. Okay, so let's take a look and see what happens when it's on each of these. So let's start off first with the one that comes with the Keychron. Same thing on here. So you can definitely tell there's a difference in the high-pitched sound here happening around 5.6 kilohertz. Just overall, the other one is just louder. So I think that this is it touching. So let's measure this on the actual board itself. Okay, so it's the right way here. Make sure it's all the way down. Okay, so here we go. Switch it out for this PBT one. Okay, so taking a look at both of these here. Here's the Keychron. Here's the PBT. They look similar, except for the Keychron in green here has this high-pitched sound, right? So that extra high pitch here. Also here in these upper frequencies, in the brilliance area, see it says mid-range, upper mid-range presence, and brilliance. So it has more frequencies there. Also, it also has this extra one here in the mid-range area. So there's just more sound coming from the default Keychron one that comes with it versus a PBT, and I think it's because it's touching. So anyway, so overall I like the way everything sounds. So let's do some measurements here. Okay, testing the main keys. Let's test the space bar here. Test backspace. Enter. Let's quickly take a look and see how these compare to the stock one. So I have the K8 Pro, the main keys, stock, and you can see that originally it was louder and a little bit higher pitched. Let's see here. The space bar versus the modded space bar. Backspace. So I didn't have to do much to this really. All I had to do was the spacebar mod that I just showed you. Basically I use this gaffer's tape. And I like gaffer's tape because it's meant to come off. I mean, it's not supposed to leave any sticky, tacky stuff behind. And so I think it's suitable for that. And I think it just does a better job overall than the painter's tape that I've tried. I like it because it kind of molds to the back of the PCB. Just be careful. You know, you don't want to rip it off and rip off some things that are not supposed to come off of that thing. What else did I do to this? Not much else. I mean, I kind of sealed off some of the holes that, like here on the feet, by putting some gaffer's tape on the back. I kind of sandwich it so that the sticky side is not touching this. I don't know that that makes too much of a difference, but that is mostly it. I've been experimenting with sealing this off with some Blu-Tack, things like that, but I don't know how much of a difference that makes. But yeah, overall, I think it sounds pretty good. It sounded good already stock, but I think it sounds better now. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. That's it. Take care. Bye-bye.